Only 60 minutes of your time when you spend every week. You'll have an unlimited growth. You will discover permanent peace, happiness, love, and wisdom. Until you know who you are, and the Eastern wisdom tells that you are the source of permanent peace, happiness, love, truth, and wisdom. So until we discover and realize in our day-to-day life, we will not be able to express outside for peace, prosperity, and success by our thought, speech, and action. Unless I discover who really I am. Our masters declare that our real self is full of peace, happiness, love, wisdom, and creativity. We need to explore, unfold. And when we unfold, we bring an end to the suffering, problems, challenges in our personal, professional, social life on one hand, and at the physical, mental, and emotional level on the other hand. Because this Eastern wisdom teaches how to reach to an emotional freedom instead of emotional dependence. It helps us to allow the intellect to reach at that level of subtle understanding. That understanding converts into a faith, and the faith converts into an insight. And from that insight, you come out, you express your thought, speech, and action. We offer personalized practices every week in that 60 minutes, depending on the nature, temperament of an individual and the problems you are facing. Every week you excel, you change, you take a right action with the right attitude of the mind for an unlimited growth and evolution. Know thyself. But in relationship, knowing thyself, I discover the world and the exact nature of the world so that this world does not dictate me. I influence outside because I know myself. That is the journey of the Eastern wisdom. Welcome to different programs of this Eastern wisdom. Thank you.